Whoop, toot, tally, hoot. Whoop, toot, tally, whoop. Oh, yeah, no, okay. Never mind. In the dark, I am. Chemo 6, day 12. Yeah, it took old Rook to tell me I was wrong yesterday. I guess you heard him in the background now. And I thought the old boy was dumb. He's keeping better track of it than I am. What do you think about that? Yeah, I smoke. Oh well. I don't know if you can tell or not by the background, but it's raining. It is raining. We can't afford to go nowhere, but we have to go to the post office. We have to go get me some medicine to counteract my medicine, to fix my medicine. We're gonna be on the road again. That's what I'm trying to say. Here we go. Boy, doesn't I look different. That ain't me no more. Yeah, it is too. I just got sick of that beard. She sure did smile. Look at her. She's over there grinning ear to ear. She don't like my beard at all. I'm at the post office. I'm not going to try to take you in because I don't have hat cam and it's raining. It's raining everywhere around here. I just don't understand it. I thought it only rained at my house. Undoubtedly, I must be wrong. Well, I'm going to see if I can mumble my way out of this car and wobble my way into the post office and see how much stuff she's got stuffed in the box. That happens a lot.
We didn't check it Saturday.
We didn't come to the post office Saturday. Ooh. Here we go then. I told you I was going into the post office.
Bills.
We got bills. I got something in there. I got a package. We get ready to find out. I'm going to have her do something that she ain't never done before. I'm going to have her hold the camera for me. Be right back. Gonna try something. Gonna try something today. This will be the start of it. I'll do a double video here because of this, but we're going to attempt to get a Zippo lighter repaired, replaced, or whatever. Or sorry mister, we can't do that one, letter back from one of the three. I don't know. I really expect the letter more than anything. And here is what I'm working on.
Where do you have to go to do that?
This is the lovely Zippo lighter that I am going to send in. Now, if you can see this thing, if I can get it to focus, well, it started to and then quit. There it is. This thing has had a hard way to go. It has been lost, except for a period of time, run over by cars, and just generally does not work. I have to take the little lever out here and drop it down in here to get the lid to close. And simply You can go online, download a form. I don't know, it may not focus, but you download this form. It's the general repair form. Put your lighter in a padded envelope and ship it off. I'm gonna do that and see what happens. Hey, at the worst, they can send me a letter saying, hey, no, that's not covered. Or they could send me another lighter. I really don't know. We'll just have to see. Here is a package from Zippo. I had a lighter that was absolutely nothing left of it, destroyed. Just enough left that you could tell that it was a Zippo. So I decided that I would try their return policy and see just how it worked. And what they have done, they have sent me a gold finish, brand new Zippo lighter with little papers on it that I can't get up. There it goes, there it goes. Brand new, never used, gold Zippo lighter. With some extra flints. Alright, let's go try to get some gasoline. What do you think? Oh, goodness. What I like about this little gas stop is that you can get a discount if you got a number on your card or got a point on your food club card. That's what they call it, a food club card. Let's see, I'll try to show it to you happening. Okay, right here, I'll scan my card. It accepted it. And look at there. What do you think about that? Got 15 cents a gallon off. Now that's the way I like buying gas. I mean, it helps when you're low on money to keep that vehicle full. And I like keeping my vehicles, I like to keep at least one trip available in my pickup, and I like keeping hers full because 2 babies and her and I both with medical problems. You know, you never know when we're gonna have to take off to the emergency room, and I don't want to have to worry about stopping and getting gas or worrying if it's gonna make it because we ain't got the gas. It's the way I am. Sorry, got sidetracked. See y'all in tomorrow's video. Have a wonderful night and God bless.